Okay, let's look at continuous statement. So let me start with one example for number in range 10. So we're going to print from number 0, 1, 2 all the way to 10 exclude number 10. So here we can print number and then let me add one space. So if you run this one, okay, we're going to print 0, 1, 2 all the way to 9 exclude number 10. Okay, previously with the condition if number is 5, we like to break. So it's going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it reaches to 5, we are going to be here. So it's going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exclude number 5, we're going to be outside. That's the idea of a break statement. This time, we're going to use a continue. Okay. So what will happen is we're going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When it's 5, instead of going for the next statement, okay, we will move to next loop. That means it's not going to print up number 5, but we'll go to number 6 and then print, because number 6 is not the same as 5, so we print, then 7, 8, 9. When it reaches to 10, we're going to be here. So we will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5. We continue for the next loop, which is going to be 6, 7, and 8, and 9. Okay, that's what happens. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it reaches to 5, we will continue for next loop. So we are not going to be next statement. We will go back and then process number 6, 7, 8, and then 9. That's all. Thank you.